Welcome back. You're tuned into Bazaar Morning Call. The S-Shakes is suggesting a bit of a pullback to kickstart trade, but we have got a lot of stocks to discuss that'll be reacting to numbers and other news flow. And help us out with that analysis, we have Deven Choksey, who's joining in. Hi, Deven. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, the big news is that it's going to be a bit of a crunch with regard to flights. And Interglobe Aviation could be a beneficiary out there. What's your view on the stock, Deven, at around 2,150?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. Well, certainly, I think both these airlines, Go First as well as the SpiceJet, both of them are having significant amount of aircraft grounded because of their individual problems. I think the benefit goes to the one company which has basically maximum amount of seats available, and that is where the Indigo Global could possibly be the beneficiary out of the lot. So certainly, I think the view remains positive at this point of time. Fortunately, the ATF prices are more stable than before. And as a result of which, I think the margin pressure probably which was seen on earlier quarters, I think that is also unlikely to be seen going forward. And that will possibly give the better performance for the company. Not too sure about the valuation at this point of time about the company, but would like to believe that the momentum would favor the Indigo at this point of time.
Okay, the momentum will favor Indigo at this point of time. Got that. Well, Deven, the other stock that I wanted to talk to you about was Tata Steel. Good numbers coming through, especially for the India business. And, earnings better than what the street was estimating. Debt has gone down as well. At this price, how does the risk-reward look for Tata Steel investor?
Yeah, Sonia, I think the important point out here would be the Indian demand continues to remain strong and robust. And this is where I think we have been maintaining our firm view on this particular company. We believe that I think India demand probably will save this company from whatever the global uncertainties that we are experiencing currently. Should there be stabilization in the prices across, then probably I think there would be sustained benefits coming to Indian metal manufacturers, including Tata Steel. At this point of time, I believe that given the kind of softness in the crude oil prices and the relative amount of stability as being predicted in that particular area, I would like to believe that energy costs would remain under control and the so-called margin pressure which bothered the company in previous quarters. I think that is probably the thing of past. Given that kind of a possibility, I would think that the stock should perform reasonably well in the current quarter with the demand scenario remaining absolutely comfortable. One could possibly add into the portfolio if one is, looking at the trading quantity to add for the purpose of next 3 to 4 quarters.
Okay, all right. Thanks for that, Deven. Just request you to hold on, and we have that alert coming up for you on the screen that around 1:35 p.m. we'll be chatting with Mr. Narendran, the MD and CEO of Tata Steel.